Hello, and welcome to Mastering Excel Functions. In this series, we'll be looking at a few of Excel's more popular functions. I'll provide proper syntax, real-world examples, and occasionally a few hot tips and tricks. Today we're looking at the index function. There are two ways you can use index, either with a singular array or multiple arrays. Let's get started. Our worksheet contains 4 tables with fictitious salespersons and their equally fictitious sales results. Fundamentally, index returns the value within a cell when given the cell's coordinates within an array. That sounds kind of complicated, so let me break it down. Think of an array as a table or a list, and coordinates are the row and column numbers. For example, our Q1 array is a table that has 7 rows and 4 columns. So if I know the column and row number of the cell I'm looking for, I simply pass those coordinates into the index function and it returns the value within the targeted cell. Let's walk this through. For now, we'll assume we know where our target data is, and we want to know how much Wilkins made in February. In cell A25, I'll key in the following formula: equals INDEX open parentheses A1 colon D7 comma 5 comma 3 close parentheses. In this case, A1 colon D7 is our array or our table. 5 is the row number and 3 is the column number. Hit enter. The example returns the number 287, which is the value in the cell located at row 5, column 3 of our Q1 array. Make sense? Okay. Now let's look at how we can use index with multiple arrays. In this example, I'll type the following formula into cell A26. Equal index open parentheses. Now I'll type a second open parentheses and select my first array. Then I'll type a comma and select my second array, F1 colon I7. Again, comma, third array, comma, fourth array. Close parentheses. Continuing along with our formula, I'll type another comma. Now I'll type 4 for our fourth row, comma, 2 for column number 2, and this time I'll also include the number 3, which represents the third array in the series of arrays we provided between the inner set of parentheses. As we'd expect, Excel returns the value of 239 because it's found in our third table at row 4, column 2. Whew, that's it. That's how you use index. In the real world, we often work with much larger tables, and more often than not, we don't know the row or column number we're looking for. In that case, we can harness the real power of Excel by nesting one function within another. I have a really good example of this nesting technique using index and match functions together in the next video. Be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, share with your friends, and leave me a comment below. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified when new videos are posted. Don't forget to check out our website where you can find other free stuff like seamless patterns, deco toners, Illustrator brushes, and page borders. That's at www.lillizzy.net. Cheers!